I don't really want to be in front of him because he may take a car out.
Okay, well then let's get over.
Yeah. Yeah, wasn't that awesome? Why can't they just tag him? Shoot, I'd pull out and tag. Man, I've never... you think we should turn a right up here? Oh, they tagged him. You see him wipe out? His car went... You don't run in a Grand Prix. You know they're going to block it off eventually.
He got out. He's in front of him.
The Charger can't pass the... Explorer. You see him kick it down? Oh, what's this up here? Did they get him up here? Oh, come on, I need the exit. Yeah! They get him?
Yeah.
Well, isn't that nice? We get to take our exit.
Yeah. People fucking...
Got it. Did they flip him or anything? Awesome. Babe, isn't that cool?
No, because you're not fucking paying attention to shit. You about rear ended that car up there.
Yeah, but I didn't know how he's coming back out. Better be listening.
There's another one coming over here.
Yeah. This one